Alright, so tonight we're going to do a colander pour. I've done a couple of these in the past. Here's one of them. It's one of the black and white ones that I did. It's on a 16-inch round. I also did this one. It was my first one. It was only on a 12-inch just to test it. Tonight I'm going to use Amsterdam olive green light and olive green deep. Also Loft raw umber. And for the white I'm going to use Creative Inspirations titanium white. For this type of pour, normally the consistency of the paint needs to be thicker, so it would maintain that shape at the end. When I pull a little cardboard piece out of the cup, I just wipe the extra paint on the canvas just in case I need it, in terms of letting the paint move a little bit better once it gets to the edge. At this point you just pour it in the colander. I normally do it like a ring pour. I mean, there's no really right or wrong way of doing it. It's just how I normally do it. And then once you get all the paint out of the cup, you let it sit there for just a minute. Let it settle. And the key is at that point is you need to slowly pull the colander up. That way when the paint drains through the holes, that it gives you that effect that we're going for. Because if you pull too fast, it may mess it up, not look as great. So slowly just pull it up. And hopefully no drips when you move it. Alright, so see, leaves that nice shape and design, and at this point you need to stretch it out. So I'm going to stretch it out and come back afterwards. got it all stretched out. I could have stretched out the center a little bit more if I'd have had more paint. However, I did not. I'll bring you down closer to get a look at it. As you can see, it gives you that kaleidoscope type figure shape. I don't know what you want to call it. The nice bloom in the middle where all the colors came together. Again, thank you for watching. If you did like the video, you want to see more videos that I'm doing, please subscribe, hit the like button. Also, don't forget to hit the bell. Again, thank you for watching, and have a good day.